Hello, dear colleagues at the CE Sales Kickoff in Budapest. A warm welcome from here, from the Business Technology Innovation Center, Vienna. This room is one of many at the global BTIC network, where we have also BTICs in France, in Germany, Spain, UK, India, and soon in the US. And the aim of such a BTIC is to invite a customer to an innovation workshop to prove that Atos is a global tier 1 player and a very innovative company. What we do here is to have a short keynote, usually by the scientific community, and then hand over to open the room for a live hands-on demo so you and your customers can go through the room and experience our variety of solutions live. At the end of the workshop, we do not need to sign a contract immediately, but the idea is to get a common strategy together with your customer to boost your pipeline and to make your sales even better. Here at our BTIC Vienna, we have a variety of great showcases. One of them is Digital Workplace or Future Workplace. Another one is our smart vending machine that is also available at other BTICs. And today we have a special guest, my colleague Robert Aschenbrenner, who will tell you more about Evidian.
So hello everybody, welcome from my side. Thank you, Marek, for the introduction. My name is Robert Aschenbrenner and I work as a security consultant for the Evidian product line. As you might be aware of, Evidian is since the acquisition of Bull back in 2014 a part of the Atos family, so we're talking about in-house products. Today, Atos positions all of its identity and access management offering under the Evidian brand. What we'll be talking about today is enterprise single sign-on and authentication management, since these are two cases where you can really start fast with your customers and have a quick return on investment. First, let's talk about authentication management. Evidian Authentication Manager will offer you a variety of different authentication methods to securely authenticate your users. Okay. Once you securely authenticated all your users, you want to give them comfort and you want to give them speed beside the security. So afterwards, we want to talk about enterprise single sign-on. We have a client-side technology that allows us to connect to any application, be they web applications, legacy applications, self-developed Java applications, or whatever else your customer has in use. So these are the two main use cases for the Evidian products I'll be showing you today, but we have a lot of very useful add-ons that can be interesting for some customer scenarios. One is our QR entry application, which is a one-time password application that doesn't require a server to run in the background as compared to, for example, text message-based one-time password. We have a soft token generator for one-time passwords on Android, iOS, or BlackBerry that can be used for self-service password reset functionality. Another very useful add-on is fast user switching, which is especially valuable in shared production environments like hospitals, retail scenarios, or banking scenarios. Okay, so let's take a look at how our demo environment for these products looks like in the BTIC Vienna. Okay, so this is what Evidian Authentication Manager looks like on Windows 10. As you can see, we have configured a lot of additional login options for the user. For example, we can use biometric authentication. Of course, we can also use traditional smart card login with a PIN code. In addition to that, you can also use RFID badges to authenticate your user via two factors. One factor would be the RFID badge, as is commonly used for building access or time management, and the other factor would be the Windows password. Of course, you can still allow your users to regularly log in with username and password, but in some scenarios you might want to think about other alternative scenarios for the case of the loss of smart card or for problems with the biometric devices. Our preferred solution for this, as well as for self-service password reset, is the QR entry application. And I'll show you how this works now. If the user selects this option, a QR code will be displayed on the login screen. And we have the corresponding QR entry application on our mobile phone. We scan the QR code and input the one-time password. As you can see in this mask now, since we used our mobile phone for authentication, we have the possibility to reset our Windows password now without knowing the old password. So this is a very good way for self-service password reset. So after we used one of the possibilities we just displayed to authenticate our user, we can now use single sign-on in the environment. We have a single sign-on engine running where several applications are predefined for the users. The user doesn't have to do anything special to use single sign-on. He just clicks on his icon to open his application, and Evidian will take over and fill in the credentials for the user automatically. The enterprise single sign-on capabilities are not limited to login masks only. We can also change user passwords automatically or via feedback from the user. This way it is possible to create scenarios where the users don't know a single application password any longer, but just use smart card or biometric or other means to authenticate and then use all their applications without knowing the password. Okay, so this is it for this short video demonstration. We look forward to seeing you all in Vienna sometime soon, hopefully, to demonstrate you the full BTIC showcase. Goodbye everybody and happy selling.